In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana Tutorial for Beginners 2025 step by step, 5 minutes. Let's get you up and running in Asana. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. If you're new to Asana, choose the option to create an account and follow the prompts. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Enter your email address, click Continue, then type your password and select Log In. After a moment, you'll land on your Asana homepage, which is your hub for projects, tasks, and recent activity. From here, create your first project. Look for the New Project button. You'll see two main paths: use a template or create a blank project. Templates are great if you want a quick start with recommended sections and fields. Blank is best if you prefer full control. Choose the option that suits you today. Give your project a clear descriptive name so teammates instantly understand its purpose, then click Continue. Next, pick how you want to view your work. List is perfect for simple to-do items, board gives you a Kanban-style flow, calendar helps plan by dates, and timeline is ideal for schedules and dependencies. Select your preferred view and click Create Project. Inside the project, add your first task. Keep task names short and actionable. Open the task details pane to manage everything in one place. Assign the task to a teammate so ownership is clear. Add a due date to keep momentum and set expectations. If the task has multiple parts, add subtasks to break the work into manageable pieces. Each subtask can also have an assignee and due date. When you want to see what's on your plate, head to My Tasks. This pulls together everything assigned to you across projects, making it easy to prioritize your day. Take a moment to explore the interface so you're comfortable navigating between home, projects, and tasks. Inside any project, look for the Customize button. This is where you can tailor the workspace to fit your workflow. Add forms to collect requests in a structured way. Set up rules to automate repetitive actions, like assigning tasks or moving them between sections when statuses change. Create custom fields, such as priority, status, or effort, to track the details that matter to your team. You can add more options here as your process matures. That's it. You've logged in, created a project, added tasks with owners and due dates, organized subtasks, reviewed your work in My Tasks, and customized your project to match your workflow. Save your progress, share the project with your team, and you're ready to manage work in Asana confidently.